Video looks so dark. Ah! I can see! Oh! Hey guys, it's Amanda here. Welcome back to e-bike reviews and adventures, and today I am going to be taking the Meetone Cheese Pro 2.0 Meetone Breeze 2.0 Pro. Meetone Breeze 2.0 Pro. Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike reviews and adventures, and today I'm going to be taking out the Meetone Breeze Meetone Breeze Pro 2.0. Meetone Breeze 2.0. Yeah, that one. Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike reviews and adventures, and today I'm going to be taking the Meetone Breeze Pro 2.0 for a ride. Let's go. Ah! Alright guys, so here's a little bit of a close-up of the Meetone Breeze Pro 2.0. This is a full suspension fat tire electric trike. So I'm not fibbing here. There's your suspension forks. Beautiful. You see these big old fat tires. Love me some fat tires. We've got some dual rear suspensions back here too. You see those springy looking things? Yeah, dual rear suspension in the back. That is pretty nifty right there. So because of the dual rear suspension, this transforms the e-trike into a full suspension e-trike. Pretty cool. It's going to absorb bumps and vibrations from all directions, so when I'm riding, it should be a pretty smooth ride. Back here, you actually have your 20 amp hour battery as well, and this whole space right here is dual battery ready, so you can actually have two batteries anchored back here, so if you're going on a longer ride. Now hiding under here, you have your 750 watt motor. On all three wheels, we have 180 millimeter hydraulic disc brakes, so you have lots of stopping power. Now up here, we got our nice hand grips like those. Got a little bit of a palm rest, so that's nice and comfy for my hands. I have a horn here. We got our little control pad. You can control the pedal assist, up, down. We got a headlight. We also have brake lights. Gotta have those. Those are important. Got our display screen. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. It's a little dark. Sorry about that. But it is pretty clear. Can see my numbers pretty clear from afar. You guys can't see it, so sorry. Over here, our little transmission Shimano is a 7-speed. Nifty schnifty. And then over here, we got our little twisty throttle. I love my twisty throttle. And then you guys saw the rear view mirrors. Those are kind of cool. I kind of like the design on those. They're nice and big, and I don't know. It kind of looks cool. I like it. So let's go ahead and take this for a short little ride. This thing does go up to pedal assist 3. When I was looking up online, it goes up to about 20 miles per hour. So not a super fast trike, but you don't want it to be super fast anyways. It's just, it's a trike. I'm just kind of riding around here in the neighborhood. It feels so nice out here. It's about to get really hot. We're about to have a really hot Florida summer. I can feel it. But right now, the breeze is nice, and it's not too hot right now. So I'm gonna pick up the pace a little bit. I'm not even using my twisty throttle right now. I'm just pedaling. I'm getting it up to about 17 miles an hour. There's 20. 21. I can usually push them a little bit faster. So I was able to get it up to 21 miles per hour. Ooh, those brakes are nice. truly, like, those felt pretty good. It was a smooth stop. I didn't feel like I was about to fall off the bike. I've done that sometimes where I would get on a trike and I would slam on the brakes and I felt like I was gonna fall over to one side or the other. Try that again. Whoop. That was a little hard, but it was actually, that was very smooth. I didn't feel like I was gonna fall off the bike. That is awesome. I like that. So overall, feels pretty good. I feel like I can control it very well. It doesn't feel top heavy or anything. I was also reading up online that this trike, the design of it, helps with your center of gravity. So that would make sense as to why, like, I don't feel like I'm gonna fall over to one side or the other. Not just when I'm braking, but let me take a quick turn over here and see how I feel. Actually, that feels pretty good. I'm usually worried when I'm making a turn on a trike. So that wasn't bad. I like that. All right, guys, this is just a short little video about the Meetone Breeze Pro 2.0. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. And I will see you guys next week. Have a great day. Bye.